Let me begin by saying, Mr. Speaker, that meeting the expectations of those particularly in the affected areas is quite a challenge. But at the same time, I wish to give assurance that government and all stakeholders involved in the relief operations are doing their best to attend to the issues that may be raised every now and then. Mr. Speaker, the assistance provided by government is guided by the provisions in the Act, Section 28 of the Disaster Act, and of course Section 33 as well, concerning the involvement of non-government organizations. Perhaps, if I may say here, Mr. Speaker, this is also something that we have also addressed very recently in tightening up on the coordination, particularly in terms of the involvement of non-government organizations. We appreciate, particularly from NDMO, all the relevant stakeholders that do come in to assist, because government will not be able to reach out to the people as per the principles laid out in the National Disaster Management Plan of 1995, setting the principles particularly on the distribution of relief supplies should take place in an orderly and in an equitable manner. But one of the key issues, Mr. Speaker, here, particularly in the coordination of non-government organization activities, is in the allocation of areas and the variation in the packages that we assist. We've had instances where people do raise that they have milk in their packets, but some are saying that there is no milk in the items that they are given. This is exactly, Mr. Speaker, the reason why we need to coordinate better, because all the different stakeholders come with different packets. But Mr. Speaker, in terms of addressing the complaints, government or the ministry has also put in place a complaints management policy that's being overseen by the National Controller, who is the Permanent Secretary and the National Coordinator as well. How does the system work, Mr. Speaker? For every complaint that is registered, either through the divisional commissioners or at the DO level, and even from social media, and of course through government officials, including ministers as well, is channeled to the ministry, and the duty of those that man the complaints management policy is to register all the complaints and then direct the complaints to the respective divisions, even to the districts for verification, and of course attending to it as well if need be, and then revert to headquarters to ensure that it's being noted and of course ticked off as well in terms of what has been done to it. May I say, Mr. Speaker, again, there are challenges in attending, particularly when accessibility is not in the best of state, but government is doing its very best to reach out to all these communities in the affected areas. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister for Defence.